In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Scalapay in Amazon. To get started, open the Scalapay app on your phone. If you haven't set it up yet, make sure it's downloaded, you're logged in, and your account has already been approved. It's also important that a valid payment card is linked to your Scalapay account because that's how your installment plan will be managed. Taking a moment to confirm this before you shop can help you avoid issues later at checkout. Once you're inside the app, use the search feature to look for Amazon. When Amazon appears in the results, tap it. This usually opens Amazon through an in-app browser or redirects you depending on your device and how your app is set up. From there, select the option to proceed to Amazon so you can begin shopping. Now shop on Amazon the way you normally would. Browse for the items you want, add everything to your cart, and then go to your cart to review the total. This step matters because the amount you enter in Scalapay needs to match your order total as closely as possible. So before moving on, double check that your cart looks right. After that, return to the Scalapay app. Look for the option that says Generate Card or Pay with Scalapay. When prompted, enter the exact amount of your Amazon order. Scalapay will then create a virtual one-time card for that purchase. This card is what you'll use to pay on Amazon, and it helps connect your order to your chosen installment plan. Next, choose your payment plan. Depending on availability, you may see the option to split the purchase into 3 or 4 installments. Keep in mind that the first payment is charged immediately, so be sure you're comfortable with that before continuing. Once the card is generated, Scalapay will provide the virtual card details, including the card number, expiry date, and CVV. You'll need these at Amazon checkout, so keep the screen open or copy the details carefully, then go back to Amazon and continue to checkout. When you reach the payment section, choose the option to add a new card. Enter the virtual card details from Scalapay exactly as shown. Accuracy is important here, since even a small typo can prevent the payment from going through. Finally, complete your purchase. Amazon will charge the Scalapay virtual card, and Scalapay will automatically split the cost into installments based on the plan you selected. Your first payment happens right away, and the remaining payments will be scheduled weekly or monthly depending on your plan. You can manage and track those payments directly inside the Scalapay app.